है वो थोड़ी सी डिफिकल्ट हो जाती है, वो क्योंकि जो विस्कोसिटी होती है गैस की वो ज्यादा होती है, राइट? सो दैट इज पास्कल सेकंड. ओके, now we have viscous force. Viscous force is denoted FV. Viscous force is nothing but buoyant force.
Okay, yes.
No, sorry, viscous force and buoyant force are applied in the same direction, upward direction, right? And for
Uh,
anything which can float, if anything can float, then the viscous force on it will be zero.
okay.
Right? If anything can float, then the viscous force will
Plus
be
force
zero.
0.
Then we studied Stokes law. Formula for Stokes
Mm,
law:
Formula for Stokes law was that force is equals to K
viscous
nu
force is
RV.
equal to,
If you're using K instead of 6 pi, yes. So K 6 pi
no,
nu
no,
RV
no,
on a
I'm telling
spherical
you, you
body.
don't have to tell that force. You have to tell that viscous force,
So viscous force is K into nu RV, right?
nu RV, and the K value is 6 pi, right?
6 pi,
This
yes.
shows that viscous force is directly proportional to coefficient of viscosity,
Velocity
radius of the
into
object,
radius into
and
velocity.
velocity, right?
Yes.
Again, what is the SI unit of force?
SI unit of force is newtons.
Newton. Okay, so the importance of viscous forces, it explains viscosity drags on small body. Viscosity drag on small body is nothing but कि जब वो हम किसी भी चीज को यूज करते हैं ना विस्कोसिटी की वजह से, बहुत इजीली, अगर उसमें ज्यादा विस्कोसिटी होगी तो वो इजीली ड्रैग नहीं हो